Hi guys, welcome to Crochet Wonderland, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to crochet this really pretty flower. It's very easy and it's like really nice. And let's start about materials and a few things you have to know about this video. So let's get started. Now with my purple yarn, it's so pretty, I'm going to start off by making a slip knot. And to make a slip knot, I'm going to use my hook and I'm going to twist it in the yarn to make a loop, and then I'm going to yarn over, turn my hook to the left and pull through, and you just made a slip knot. Now I'm going to be chaining 6. So yarn over, turn hook to the left and pull through. Second one, third one, fourth one, fifth, and sixth. Hey, I think we can crochet one small 7th one. It's pretty small, like that. And now in the first stitch, we're going to insert and make a slip stitch. To make a slip stitch, insert, like we did, yarn over, and pull through all loops like that. Okay, and now we're going to chain 3, actually 4, and we're going to be making 3 treble crochets. And to make a treble crochet, you're going to wrap yarn around your hook twice, like that. Insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And there we go. Now make your second one twice, and through, pull through, pull through, and pull through. And our last one. There we go. Now I'm going to scoot it a bit to the side, chain 4. That, and then we're going to insert, yarn over, and slip stitch. And there you go, you made 1 petal. Now let's make the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over twice, insert, chain 4, you chain the starting, you do that at the end as well. And I like scooting them. And I'm going to make around 5 petals for this flower, and I'll meet you in the end. Now my last petal, and it's the 5th one. 3, 4. There we go, and chain 4. And now you're going to insert and make a slip stitch. There we go. Okay, now we're going to chain 1 and fasten off. And now take your hook in and pull it outwards like that. And here's your pretty flower. So now we can insert our second color yarn. And I'm going to be using some white luscious yarn. And you can insert it in like any slip stitch you want. Like I'm inserting in a slip stitch. that's the place you gotta start. And you're gonna chain 5. And then you're going to make 1 half double crochet in each of the treble crochets. So to do that, wrap yarn around your hook once, insert, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on your hook, and yarn over, pull through all 3. And now make a second one. And now you're going to chain 5. And then in the slip stitch, you're going to make a slip stitch onto that slip stitch. And it looks like that. And now you're going to chain 5 again. That. Then you're going to make a half double crochet in the 3 treble crochets. 1, 2, and 3. So it looks like that. And you're gonna chain 5 again. And then you're gonna make a slip stitch onto the slip stitch. And repeat that process until the end. Now I'm on my 5th one, and it's looking really nice. Chain 5, and make it only to the 3 treble crochets, and make 1 in each. Now chain 5, that, and then make a slip stitch. Onto that stitch. There you go. There's your pretty flower. And now you can just chain 1 and fasten off. Now let's work on the tails. So what I'm gonna just do is I'm going to tie a knot between all these tails. And sometimes a little far distance. Like that. And now you can cut them off. And there you go, there's your pretty flower. And I hope you love it. You can attach it to anything you want, as like keychains or on bags or on just like on your hair or something, or even attach it to a clip or something. But it's really pretty and you can use it for anything you want. Thank you for watching my video, and please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!